how many clicks does it need for you to know with 95% confidence that particular search term is a loss and you should just dump it? When is that point? Okay, it's a brilliant question. And I used to say it was a lot higher than this. I used to say you need to run it over a 2-week period to make sure that there was no day-to-day variations that were influencing that. But turns out you don't need to do that at all. So all you need to do, so I'm going to show you an ad campaign here with lots and lots of different adverts in it. And you can see here in one of the ad groups here, we've got margarita salt rimmer set, for instance, and we've got some good spend on it. It's making some orders, but the margarita salt on this particular one, well, it's not making any orders at all. Okay, so all you need to be very confident at 95% is 35 clicks. Now, that's it. So once you get to 35 clicks, you will know one way or another where that particular search time is at. That's all you need. I used to say it was a lot more than that, but it isn't. And my maths professor mate explained the math to me, and it makes perfect sense. So that's it. 35 clicks, that will get you most of the way there to understanding whether or not a search term is going to be good or not, which should save you a shitload of money.
Neil, how do you know when there's 35 clicks? Where do you look for that?
Okay, so that'll just be in these reports here. So you can see, I haven't got it set up for that on the columns, but it's just in the columns here. So if I just put clicks, I'd added clicks there. Now you've got the clicks in here, for instance. So this one here, this margarita salt rimmer set, shows the clicks, shows the spend, shows the orders. And now what that also means as well is this. That also means as well that all things being equal, meaning there isn't like a big sale event coming up or something like that, you now have got 95% confidence, which is very, very high statistically, that that particular search term, margarita salt rimmer set, is going to continue to do that. It's going to continue to do that. So spend 21 bucks, 3 orders for sales of 99 bucks. So it gives you the ability now to forecast out with a high confidence rate about what's going to happen. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!